What is going on, everyone? RJ here, and in today's video we are going to go ahead and go over day one of the SRT VIP event, which is the SafeMoon racing team. And so I'll kind of walk you guys through exactly what had happened on day one and the itinerary that was obviously laid out for us. But before we get started, if you guys haven't already, please consider smashing that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload new content. We do have an exciting vlog to go over here today, so without further ado, let's dive right on in to the flight deck. All right, everyone, so obviously, day one, my flight had left on Thursday, probably around 7:45 p.m. And from there, it was like an hour flight to Atlanta and then the 8-hour trip from Atlanta to Heathrow, which is in London. Flight was okay. I sat next to a super buff dude that had boulders for shoulders, and so I was kind of like leaning on one side for 8 hours, so definitely wasn't as comfy. And then obviously I landed where Brian and Dan had logistics to pick me up, and there was someone holding my name up, and then we drove from Heathrow all the way to the hotel, which took about an hour and a half. So somewhere in there I was vlogging a little bit, maybe the first 20-30 minutes, and then for the rest of the hour I was pretty much knocked out cold. And so when we got to the hotel, I went for my check-in, and unfortunately my room wasn't ready just yet, and it was already 2 o'clock, which was just in time for the first meet and greet. And so they said that I would have my room within the next 30 to 40 minutes. So I didn't even get to freshen up. So what ended up happening was I just went to the bathroom, kind of got all my stuff together so I wasn't smelling of a musky airplane, and then went straight to the bar for the meet and greet, and obviously met everyone there for the first time. So we are here at the hotel now, and I didn't get a chance to really check in yet. My room isn't ready, but it's time for the meet and greet, so I'm gonna assume that everyone is here already. So let's see what kind of crowd we have here. We're meeting at the bar area.
It's true.
There's everyone. There's the meet and greet, first meet and greet of the actual event. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my entries, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. And just met everyone there. I mean, it was so much fun. The icebreakers and all that stuff, drinks, and it was an absolutely awesome time. And then after we had some drinks, Crypto Gold Rush and the entire crew and family actually was able to interview Brian, and they were able to interview me as well. So there's like a sneak peek video of me in there where they were doing an interview. So this is supposed to be part of a documentary, which is going to be actually pretty cool. I was super nervous, but I think they were being too nice. They said that I was an absolute natural. And then after that, we broke a little bit, and this is probably the only time we had time to kind of breathe and have some time to ourselves. And then later on that night, we went ahead and had dinner. Dinner was absolutely amazing. I had the fish and chips over here at the hotel, and the fish and chips was very fluffy, very delicious. And so we had a really great time. And then I didn't even get to sleep till about maybe 2:30 a.m. here in London, which London is like 5 hours ahead of Charlotte, North Carolina. But overall, it was a lot of fun. So obviously, if you guys did enjoy this video, do me a favor and smashy that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload new content. I will be here in London for the next 2 days, so 3 or 4 days overall, I don't even know anymore. It's a 3-day event, and then obviously 2 days to travel, so it's like a 5-day event, but 3-day official for the SRT. So I'm gonna be doing my storytelling and obviously my vlogs from the hotel room, so you won't see the studio setup, but you will just see me here in front of the camera giving you guys a story of the actual day-to-day breakdown of the entire event. So I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Obviously, up next will be the day 2, where we went into the actual Brands Hatch qualifying rounds. So this is going to be in preparation for Sunday's actual race. If you guys have any other questions, just obviously please post them in the comment section below. Life is too freaking short, so eat some delicious food, drink some delicious drinks, do some good in the world, spread some positive vibes, and I'm going to see everyone on the next crypto video next time.